Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if you built your site with Hostinger Website Builder and want visitors to book meetings using Calendly in 2025, here is the clear, correct truth. So Hostinger Website Builder doesn't integrate natively with Calendly, but Calendly can be connected safely and efficiently using embed or link methods. No hacks, no plugins, no code skill needed. Okay, so this guide shows you exactly how to do it the right way. So first thing first, create or prepare your Calendly account. So you have to have a Calendly account at the first place. Okay, so sign up and stuff. Create an account, set up your event type from 50 to 30 minutes, define availability, time zone, and rules. Your booking link will look like, for example, like this. Okay, like this. Let me show you. It would be something like this. Okay, so get your Calendly embed code. So in Calendly, open your event type, click share, choose add to website, select inline embed, copy the embed code. Calendly gives you HTML plus iframe code. Okay, so log into Hostinger hPanel. Okay, go to website. Okay, you have to upgrade your accounts first. Now edit website, go to the page where booking should appear, add a custom code, paste the Calendly embed code, and save and publish. So Calendly calendar now appears directly on your site. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.